Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can enable dark mode in Trello. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm logged into my account. I'm on my board. So what you're going to want to do when you get here is go to the top right and click on your avatar. Once you click here, this menu will drop down, and as you can see near the bottom, you have theme. As you can see, I have it set to match my browser, which is currently in dark mode. So as you can see, it is currently all dark. You also have the option to enable dark mode like so, or you can enable light mode like so, which in my opinion hurts my eyes a bit. So dark mode it is. I'll keep it at this for the time being. And yeah, that is pretty much how you do it. If you click here, as you can see, you can only edit profile info and edit your profile and view the members board activity. So you really don't want to click on this. You want to click on this one, which is at the very top in this sort of toolbar, taskbar, right next to the search bar and the notifications bar. So you just want to click on this. As you can see, it can be confusing since there are two avatars, but this is the menu that you want. And as you can see, again, just go to theme and you can set whatever you want. And that's all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.